They're all stacked up, all right? Their knees are going way over their feet, and they're putting a lot of pressure on your ankle joints, knee joints, and even your hips as well. So this little feeling is gonna help you feel lighter. It's gonna improve that basic bounce, okay? What's cracking, Jump Nation family? It's your boy here, Rushy, yes, aka the Jump Rope Coach. Welcome back to the home of jump rope fitness and lifestyle people. Today we have another fire jump rope tutorial for you. This one is for my beginner crew out there. Today I'm gonna be teaching you how to come out of the basic bounce and looking like a beginner to now doing really simple, slick footwork that will help you look light on your feet and making sure that you can move correctly with your jump ropes, right? We're not gonna waste any time today, guys. We're gonna get straight into this tutorial. Remember, if you're new to the channel, hit the links down below, grab yourself the hottest jump ropes on the internet, hands down. Today, I'm gonna be using the Nova rope. Use Rush 10 for 10% discount. This is gonna be available on Amazon USA in a few days as well. And we ship worldwide, all right? Now, guys, this is a very simple tutorial. If you're someone who's just picked up a skipping rope, wherever it may be from, I wanna teach you to try and come out of the basic bounce. A lot of people when they first start, they're actually jumping like this, okay? Now, it's called jumping rope, which in essence means that you're gonna have to sort of jump. But I'm actually gonna get you away from this mentality, all right? We're not gonna actually jump as such. We're not gonna be heavy with our feet. We're actually gonna be springy, all right? We're actually gonna be bouncy is the right kind of correct term. We're gonna be really light on our feet. And I've got a couple of drills that I want you to follow along. So I'm gonna get you from being somewhere here where we're jumping to actually being softer on your feet and then actually doing a couple of cool drills which can make you look really nice and light on your feet and actually get the main benefits from your rope. And what I mean by that is making sure that you can activate the right muscles, engage the right muscles, strengthen your joints, and also just get the best and most effective workout. Because if you're someone who's quite heavy-footed and doing this, all you're gonna be doing is just putting pressure on your joints, could lead to injuries further down the line, and also you're just gonna look awkward as well, and it's not gonna be just, yeah, slick, all right? And that's what we kind of hope for on this channel. We wanna make sure that you guys look boss with your ropes. Okay, so this first drill is all about a feeling, all right? Now, if you're someone who's quite heavy like this, we're gonna now get you to be a little bit more softer on your feet. And the way we're gonna do this is you're gonna feel like you're skipping on eggshells, right? This is an old classic RA drill. Mentioned it in probably one of my earlier videos back in the day, but it's a sensation, right? Instead of doing this, where we know we're just gonna break everything on the floor, break these eggshells, you now have to learn to try and be a bit more springy, which means that you gotta keep your heels off the floor at all times. And when we're landing, we're almost just kind of taking the pressure nice and slowly into the floor and then just springing back up, okay? So you're not making that loud thud sound. It's just soft, all right? So we can do this by just feeling, again, that we're on the balls of our feet. And this will hopefully improve already your posture, because a lot of people that start with this jumping sensation, they're all stacked up, all right? Their knees are going way over their feet, and they're putting a lot of pressure on your ankle joints, knee joints, and even your hips as well. So this little feeling is gonna help you feel lighter. It's gonna improve that basic bounce, okay? So in the next drill is simply we're gonna bounce on one leg and we're just gonna touch our tiptoes on the floor like this. And then we're gonna switch legs and do the same. Keeping in mind, we're just trying to do the same sort of feeling as before. We're sort of skipping on eggshells, nice and light. And we should only really be hearing mainly the rope. And that's how you know you've got this drill done correctly. Just little light toe taps here, and it should just feel nice and soft. Try that drill. Trust me, this one works at keeping you feeling lighter on your feet. The third drill now, a little bit tougher, but incorporates that second drill where we keep the weight on one leg. We're just gonna now touch forward with that opposite leg, okay? Then we're gonna switch legs just like this. Really effective drill. Again, enhancing your coordination, making sure now you've gone away from this basic bounce action to now more softer looking footwork flow. So this one's gonna look like this, all right? You're gonna bounce on one leg, just touch in front. Nice light touches, and then change leg if you can. And already you'll see and you'll notice, once you get good at it, you're already starting to engage more core muscles. You're already trying to get a better posture. You can't do this by being slouched over, being really heavy footed. It's just gonna look awful, really awkward. You see, you'll know you're doing it wrong if you're doing it like that. Nice upright body posture, and then that way you could just do this for fun, and you'll already start to look like you've been skipping for a long time. The fourth drill, peeps, is an extension now of the previous two. Now what we're gonna try and do here is we're gonna get this free leg, right? So we're jumping on that one leg again. The free leg now is gonna move from 11 to 1 o'clock. So it's just gonna be tap to your left, tap to your right. Imagine a clock face. We're just gonna go 11 o'clock, 1 o'clock, okay? So here, and then in front of me, it's gonna go 11, 1. Back to the beginning, right? Start again, 11, 1. And then you can try and do it with the opposite leg. So we're gonna do it with the left leg now. 1, and then 11. Comes across your body. Really nice, cool drill. One of my favorites to make sure that, again, you look super sharp with your footwork. And this is all key, guys. This is everything that you need to know in the beginning days before you start doing those high power moves, right? Before you start doing those combinations, those slick transitions that we show on this channel as well. Because footwork, as I always say, is king, because it allows you to perform at your best, gives you the right foundation, and it gives you the right frame or building blocks, as it were, to get these combinations done correctly. Because without the right footwork, everything is just not gonna fit. It's just gonna look really messy, awkward, and you will lead to more trip ups, okay? Final fifth drill, peeps, is we're gonna do now the side toe taps. This drill will look like this without the rope, okay? But all we're trying to do here is touch to the side here, bring it to the middle, touch to the side here, all right? So when you do it correctly, it's just little toe taps to the side, side, just like this. And you're just kind of opening out your hip joint a little bit as we do this. So to practice, you're just gonna go tap, 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 all right? And then when you get comfortable, it's just gonna be alternate. So alternate like that, all right? That's a little bit more of an extension of the move, but when you're getting comfortable, it's just tap, 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 and then alternate. Really cool move, one used by Mayweather a lot. And again, we're just feeling light, we're feeling nice, soft on the feet, heels always off the floor, and just, this will all lead into all the really nice movements you see on this channel, where we can just kind of have nice, effortless movements with your feet, and it just kind of flows, all right? So just a quick one for you. Hopefully you can follow along with those drills. To all my beginner crew out there, first time watchers, I want to say welcome. Thank you so much for tuning in. If you liked what you saw, please hit the subscribe button. If you check out my library of work, I'll make sure that you guys are skipping like pros in no time. So as always, remember, hit the links down below, use Rush10 for 10% discount. The Nova rope is what I was using today, but we have tons and tons of different styles and colorways that will get you guys super geared up. So hopefully you enjoyed that. Make sure you hit a little comment down below. Let me know what you want to see going forward, and I'll get it done for you. So until next time, I'll see you in the next one. So take care of yourself, skip the treadmill, stay safe. Peace.
Was the knight in shining armor in your movie? Would put your lips on mine and love the aftertaste now.